Hi, I'm Dan from TenAV and we're here at Wycombe Wanderers Football Club on Marlow Road training ground, and I'm really excited to show you what we've done for them inside. So I'm going to hand you over to the club just to talk about what we've provided for them.
The Wycombe Wanderers are really excited to show our new signage solution, working with TenAV to develop an Xsignage solution around the training ground here at our brand new training ground at Marlow Road. All our screens are now divided into 3 sections, showing a schedule for players and staff over the next 24 hours with a QR code built in for guest Wi-Fi room reception, a bottom pane showing future match information and schedule information, all in Wycombe Wanderers branding, and finally a main pane with a content feed allowing us to display various different content feeds all around the training ground on all of our signs to players and staff.
So one of the first things the club wanted was the ability to show feed from reception throughout the building and incorporate that into Xsignage. So let me show you what we've done. So here we have the tunnel just before the changing rooms. So we've got some screens here that show their schedule and any content in the middle. The same for this breakout area and the boots changing room. Let's take a look in the gym. So this is the gym where all the players keep fit. Here it's really important that the players can see the daily schedule on all the screens so that they can know what they're doing next.